Welcome to the Brothers Truck Parts Workshop.
Folks, as you can see, this C10 has had better days when it comes to that rear bumper. It's been hit on both ends. So what we're going to do is replace it with one of the Brothers Truck Parts bumpers, including the brackets. I've got Steve Flanders here from Brothers Truck Parts, who's going to tell us the differences between the two bumpers.
So it's not uncommon that a special edition would come with a utility bumper like this. This is a Big 10 we're working on. But this guy's not using it utility anymore. He's using it more of like a kind of weekend vehicle. So we're going to put the factory sport bumper on here, and it's going to sort of clean up the look, make it look a little less utilitarian. Sam's under there, and there's a lot of dirt under there. Probably 40 years worth of dirt. So it's a good idea if you're going to do this project, get under there, knock the dirt off as much as you can so it's not falling in your face. Also, spray your bolts with some penetrating lube an hour or two before you start the project. Have your safety glasses on so you don't get stuff in your face.
And we got the nifty light so we can see what we're doing too.
That's right. Now this bumper's not going to fall off, is it?
I've got one bolt holding it on. You guys make sure to disconnect the tag lights. You see I've got one missing here. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this one on the right side. Well, my right, the truck's left.
We're going to be replacing the tag lights as well during this process because the tag lights that are on this utility bumper are not going to work with the bumper we're putting on. So we'll show you how to change those out. Now, if this truck was super nice with real nice paint on it and stuff, we would have gone ahead and probably put a little masking tape around our edges up around where the bumper comes real close to the body and protect the body from any kind of damage that we might cause on accident while we were taking this bumper off. Although this truck's got a few nicks and scratches, sort of adds to the patina if we bang it up now, I suppose, right, Sam?
Absolutely.
All right, are you about ready to take this off?
Almost. I just got to disconnect this so that we don't have it causing a problem because I only have one little bolt holding it on. All right, guys, as you can see, we've already installed the right side brackets. There's two of them instead of one, and there is one extra nut and bolt. So we're going to sandwich the frame, and the easiest thing to do is to go ahead and start this back bolt on the inner bracket. Go ahead and nut it. That way you've got it held in place while you sandwich the frame, putting the other two bolts in on the other bracket. And then you want to make sure that everything is somewhat loose. Don't tighten it until the very end so that we can get the 8 bolts in front of the bumper on. Then we can go in, line everything up, and tighten everything down.
That's right. Well, Sam's been working on that. What I did is I took Brothers' new sport tag bracket, and you can see that this is about 2 inches shorter than the original style tag bracket. What that'll do is it'll make the bottom of your tag flush with the bottom of your bumper. I also wired it, so we've got our ground and everything. We've got our fancy little LED tag lights. We're going to be able to plug that in with one plug. All right, Sam, we're just going to hang it from this upper outer first. Once we got it hanging there, we'll go ahead and put the rest of them in.
Okay. Now look how much better that looks.
It looks fantastic. And the guys with lower trucks, they're going to love how flush that license tag bracket hooks up.
So much better than the other. And it's not beat up or broken up. And it looks OEM period correct.
I like it.
Man, don't we always have fun in the shop?
We do.